Okay, hello. Last class we learned about the flying together chapter and we learned how the birds are escaped by the help of wise bird. And now we can write the question answer and new words of this chapter. So you have to write the new words from page number 32 and you have to write that new words in your notebook. Now we are going to learn about the question and answers. Question number one, where did the geese live? The answer is the geese lived on the top of a tree. Question number two, why did the old bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? The old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper as it would become thick and strong, and with the help of the creeper, it would be possible for someone to climb the tree. Next one, why did the geese cry help help? Answer is the geese cried help help as they were caught in the hunter's net. Number 4. What did the hunter do when he thought that the geese were dead? The hunter threw the geese out of the net when he thought that they were dead. Why did geese pretend to be dead? The geese pretended to be dead as the hunters would not want dead birds and hence will throw them to the ground. Okay, the next one. Describe one incident when you got into trouble because you did not do your work on time. This is right. This you have to write these question according to your experience, not my experience. Not that will be uh, different. So you have to. I'm giving here. I am giving one sample, but no need to copy this one. If you try to write down your experience. Okay. Next one, state whether the following statements are true or false. The tree was the house of flock of parrots. Answer is false. The wise bird wanted to creeper to be destroyed. Answer is true. The hunter climbed the tree with the help of ladder. Answer is false. When caught in the net, the foolish bird began to weep. They start to cry. The answer is true. The wise old bird helped them to escape. Answer is true. Next is the listen the following paragraph. This is a story of ant and the dove. This paragraph I think you learn in the first or second standard. One day one ant was fell down in the water and that time a dove helped him by the help of a leaf. I think you know the story. So you have to write the answer. There is again question and answer. So you have to write the question and answer in your notebook. Question number one, why do you think the dove helped the ant? The dove helped the ant because she was very kind. How do you think the ant fell on the finding leaves? The ant was relieved to find the leaf. Have you ever been in trouble like Anne? Did you help? Did anyone help you? This you can write your own, but I think your parents will be. You can write your own experience. Okay. Next one, work in pairs. Ask your friend's question about all the things he does. Use the question words such as where, what, how, who, when, why. One is done for you. Anu, I watch TV in the evening. Amit, when do you watch TV? I then asking Anu, I play game. So this you have to write down in your textbook. I play games. What do you play? Anu, I collect stamp. What do you collect? I next one Anu, I played in the ground. So you have to write the question. Where do you play? One Sunday I go to shopping. The question is when do you go for shopping? So next one, answer these questions about yourself. This you have to write yourself. What your name? What language do you speak? How old are you? Which is your favorite food? Where did you go yesterday? Which country do you belong? That answer is India. When do you go to sleep? Which do you like? Sorry, which do you drink milk? Why do you drink milk? Become healthy. So last one, why do you drink milk? Let's say you want to become healthy or you want to become improve your immunity, like that anything you can write. Next one, page number 36. In group of 5 discuss what you would do. This is a group discussion, but now in this time we have not possible, so we can do. You have to think about it and write down the answer. Your friend falls in play field and what will you do? You are trapped in fire, you stuck in a traffic jam. What will you do? If your friend fall in a play field is hurt, what would you? I would pick him and take him to a hospital or sick room. If I were trapped in fire, I would start to shouting for help. If I were stuck in traffic jam, I would take different route and listen to the music so I didn't get bored. So next one, you can see some pictures of clouds, and you make use that words make sentences. So the wise king called the best soldier to fight. Careless, Ricky had been careless as she left in the window unlocked. Thick and strong. Gargi has thick and strong hair. Foolish. Raj was foolish to cheat during the exam. Tall. He is over 7 feet tall. Next one. Here are some answers about the given picture. You can see one picture of ant, and here are some answers. It color of the ant is black. It lives on land. It has two long antenna. It crawls on the ground. It eats sugar. Now frame question for above answers. So questions are: what is the color of ant? Where does it live? How many antenna does an ant have? Where does it crawl? What does it eat? Then page number 37, question number 3. Fill in the blanks with prepositions such as to, at, of, on, in, into, with. One has been done for you. So the answer is: this tree was home of fox, wild geese. He noticed the creeper at the foot of the tree. It would be pity to destroy it now, as they flew off the tree were trapped. The boy ran with the dog. The frogs jumped into the well. The girl was thrilled to see her new bicycle. The birds were caught in the net. The children walk on the bridge. You already learn about the preposition in the fourth standard itself. We have completed so many pages of worksheets. So I think you completed. If you have any problem, we can solve it in through online classes. Okay. Then complete the paragraph with the suitable words in the box. So here is a box and so many words are there. So I'm reading the paragraph. One day I was walking along the bank of the river. I saw my friends running into the field. He was calling my name and waving to me. I stopped and waited. After some time, he reached where I was standing. He said, I went all around the town looking for you. I have some excited news to share with you. Do you remember the old house next to the neem tree? Thus, who is moving into that house? Janak Das, the great magician. Now we can learn lot of magic tricks from him. And the next one is fill in the blanks given below with the question words. For example, when do you play? What time do you get up? What do you have for breakfast? When do you go to school? What do you like best in the school games, art, or music? When is your birthday? What do you want for your